Juicing for blood health. Juice is refreshing and delicious, and a great way to get your daily dose of vitamins and minerals. But did you know it can also improve blood circulation? Juice has the ability to increase oxygen levels in the body and boost your metabolism. Hey there, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing juicing for blood health. Drinking juice can help reduce the chances of developing high blood pressure, heart disease, and even strokes. Drinking juice can have a positive impact on your overall health, but especially the health of your blood. How juice helps cholesterol. If cholesterol accumulates in the blood vessels, it can reduce blood circulation. Thankfully, some juices can help to remove the cholesterol that causes hardening of the arteries. The juice from citrus fruits and apples should be added to your daily juice regime if you want to benefit from better cholesterol levels. This is due to the pectin and soluble fibre in them. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is great for improving blood circulation and has many health benefits. Beetroots are a healthy vegetable that contains antioxidants, which can help prevent obesity, cancer, and heart disease. Tomato juice. Research is now showing that a glass of this delicious beverage per day can lower blood pressure and even reduce cholesterol levels. Kiwi fruit. Tomato juice helps reduce blood pressure due to vitamin C in it. Another fruit rich in vitamin C and other bioactive ingredients is kiwi fruit, which is also good for reducing blood pressure. Orange juice. Orange juice is a great addition to your juicing repertoire when it comes to better blood circulation because of many nutrients and electrolytes. Prune juice. One of prune juice's lesser known health benefits is that it also lowers blood pressure. Prunes are a fantastic source of potassium, magnesium, and calcium. These minerals are essential for normal blood pressure levels. Pomegranate juice. Drinking juice from this fruit can also reduce your blood pressure in days. You can buy pomegranate juice, but it has added sugar, so it's better to make your own. Watermelon juice. This beautifully coloured fruit is great to juice. It is packed full of vitamins and minerals, and it has a mild taste. It also counts as part of your daily water. Cherry juice. Drinking cherry juice is just as good as taking drugs at reducing blood pressure, researchers have found. Drinking just 60 ml can reduce your blood pressure in-house. Juices to avoid for blood health. By way of warning, the British Heart Foundation advises that you do not drink cranberry juice if you are on blood thinning medication. This is because it increases the effect of the medication, which can lead to excessive bleeding. This is due to the high amount of vitamin K in cranberry juice. So, that just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.